those who are in this field, I request them that in respective university, if they can select the students, those who are interested in this type of activity, with the help of this Gujarat Forensic Science University, you can also get a very good manpower for your respective laboratories. Not only that, even your state can send few students for this university to create a very good manpower for their own forensic labs. So in a way, of course the university will be in the Gujarat, but it will be useful to each and every forensic lab in the country. Friends, what is needed is to have a high level of professionalism in the field of detection of crimes through forensic science. We had demonstrated this during the recent serial blast which took place in Ahmedabad. The forensic experts attended all the 26 sites within 2 hours where the blast had taken place. They also collected evidence within less than 24 hours. Gujarat DFS has handled a number of nationally and internationally sensitive cases. We have been providing our expertise to the rest of the country. For the first time in the country, we made use of the FSL in wildlife protection. This is a unique case which was happening in my state, and how Forensic Science Lab can help in this activity. Last year, we had a case of Asiatic lion poaching in Sansangir. Asiatic lion is the pride of Gujarat. Protecting and preserving them is our moral responsibility. For the first time in the history of wildlife poaching case, people have been convicted. This was possible because we made extensive use of forensic science. Friends, we trained more than 150 judges, 500 police officers, and 100 forensic science experts at Gandhinagar FSL. Friends, last 2 decades, crime scenario has changed rapidly. This had increased people expectation from law enforcing machinery. Using detection and investigation based on scientific principles and techniques and presenting scientific evidence in the court of law, this is the need of the hour. Look at the problem of terrorism. It is not only limited to India, but the whole world. Use of internet, different chemicals for explosives, modern communication network. These are all challenges for crime investigation. You have to prevent terror acts as well as terror intentions. In our war against terrorism, forensic science is going to be a major weapon. Today, experts from all over the world and India are present here. You must discuss and share your forensic experiences. To fight terror, we need global networking and global knowledge sharing. Latest development in forensic disciplines should be used to fight terrorism. Friends, certain suggestions come to my mind. If possible, I think you should deliberate on these issues. I am not sure whether my suggestions are very limited to FSL or not, but you are experts here, you can think about it. During the recent attacks in Mumbai, terrorists targeted many covered premises like Taj Hotel. I wonder whether some gas could have been administered through air-conditioned ducts to make the terrorists and hostages unconscious. Of course, without harming their lives. We could have reduced operation time. and caught the terrorist alive. I am only quoting an example whether forensic research could come up with some mechanism for future. It may need some legal changes or research for the appropriate strategy. But I'm sure this is the forum where we can discuss about this, and we can come out with some solution, and we can talk to the government at the central level. Can we do some changes or not? I'm disturbed by the fact that websites are filled with cookbooks for bomb making. There are almost 450 sites available through internet which can be used by anybody. When the developed countries have blocked access to such sites, we are far behind. Why we have not found any technological solution when we have brought revolution in IT world? Can this conference address this issue? Can you deliberate on possible law to be introduced to enable prevention of this type of activity? In the case of crime, whether it is ordinary crime or a terrorist attack, ordinary telephones have no relevance. Mobile phone and satellite telephone are the ones which are widely used. Can some research be made to stop misuse of these modern communication tools? During the Gujarat earthquake, this is another thing which I would like to mention, that if we can have some networking, I'm sure that we can get some help from experts, those who are in this area. During the Gujarat earthquake, experts from all over the world had voluntarily came to Gujarat to render their help for rescue operations. Starting from sniffer dogs to the latest rescue equipment, they were there. Similarly, in case of terrorist attack, can global networking be done where agencies from world over voluntarily come over? Can they come with their technology and equipment to help the government or to help the victims? We'll have to find out some solution. And there are people who have expertise. Even a problem occurs in the ONGC well, the international agencies are coming. So why not in this case? Can we take the help and can we give the help to the others? We'll have to do something in this area. I think that this conference should discuss these modalities also.